What the heck has just happened? Someone has shown a spot where they buried a dog. Thank God it was not a real dog that got buried. In Russian, if someone tells you, here's where the dog is buried, it means they know the reason that causes a certain problem. Вот где собака зарыта. Вот где собака зарыта. Let's break it down. Under number 1, we have вот, here or here's. The verb to be is not used, but it's implied. You can always use так for emphasis. You can say так вот. However, так is optional. Under number 2, we have где, where. Under number 3, we have собака, a feminine noun, a dog or the dog. And under number 4, we have зарыта. Рыть is a verb that means to dig. As it happens very often in Russian, when you add a prefix to a verb, the meaning of the verb changes. While рыть is to dig, зарыть is to bury. Зарыта is a passive participle in the feminine form, buried. The masculine form would be зарыт. The feminine form is зарыта. We do need the feminine form for this expression because собака is a feminine noun and there is an agreement between the noun and the passive participle. Now let's see how the expression works in a dialogue. Я не могу понять, почему Катя не разговаривает со мной уже 3 дня. Потому что она думает, что это ты рассказала всем, что ее бросил Олег. А, так вот где собака зарыта. Пойду скажу ей, что я никому ничего не рассказывала. That's all for now. In the comment section below, feel free to offer your translation of today's expression. Also, if your Russian-speaking friends ever ask you where you learned all these idioms, please refer them to my video lessons so that they can say, так вот где собака зарыта. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and continue to the next idiom. Спасибо!